Hey everyone, Singleton Sean here, and today we're doing something a little bit different. So, I don't do videos like this very often on my channel. In fact, I don't think I've ever done a video like this. So, kind of like a face reveal. Face is looking a little bit rough because I don't really shave much during coronavirus. But anyways, what are we doing today? Well, we are celebrating 1,000 subscribers. So, I just wanted to thank you guys so much because, of course, couldn't have done it without you guys. And honestly, I never even thought I would have more than like 100 subscribers, so this is pretty cool. It's nice to know that I'm actually helping a lot of people out there, and there's still so many more things I want to do on this channel, so many concepts I want to cover, more than just like WPF. Of course, that's still going to be the focus for a while, because that's like what I have planned in a lot of my videos. Still so many series to finish, and then you guys leave suggestions too, which is super helpful, because I know when I make those videos, it's like directly helping people. So keep on leaving suggestions. Thank you for 1,000 subscribers. And what are we gonna do to celebrate 1,000 subscribers? So I figured programming is one of those things where it doesn't matter if you're a beginner or an expert, you gotta stay consistent. You gotta keep on programming every single day if you wanna get better. And that really applies to a lot of things in life. And to prove that, I wanted to learn how to juggle a few months ago. And when I first started, I was like terrible. I was like throwing these balls all over the place. I was awful. So I stayed consistent though. You gotta stay consistent. And now I'm gonna juggle these balls, okay? So here we go. Oh, so there we go. I failed. I could not juggle the balls. So what am I gonna do? I'm gonna try again. I'm not just gonna give up. Don't give up. So here we go. Take two. Oh, we got it. There we go. I failed, but I redeemed myself. So don't give up when you fail, and also stay consistent, because when you stay consistent, you can accomplish some pretty crazy things. So that's today's motto. Stay consistent, don't give up, and you will reach your goals. Anyways, that's the 1,000 subscriber special. Hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to leave suggestions below in the comments if you have anything that you want me to do on the channel in the future, and I'll take a look at those. So leave them below in the comments. But other than that, thank you for subscribing, and stay tuned for some more content.